Hey tubers, I'm inside it's 208 BMW X3, which don't start. No communications with the engine computer, no communications with the transmission computer. Although, I don't have check engine light on the dashboard. It cranks, but it won't start, okay? So, upon investigation, I get to see that this module is not turning power, or is not passing battery power to the ECM, which is this wire, no power. All right, if I put power there, the ABS module starts communicating, which wasn't, and this ECM gets power it's supposed to be, but it's not communicating, and so is the TCM. There is a communication issue. I got to figure out what it is. Subscribe and help me, please. Thank you.